Addis is based in South Wales, in Bridgend, and yeah, so we're a UK-based company. It's a 244-year-old company. As you can see in the graphics behind, the inventors of the toothbrush, artificial Christmas tree, known for heritage, design, innovation, and quality at affordable prices. So that's kind of our sort of tagline when we're at shows. The show this stand will be presented at will be the Chicago Inspiration Houseware show in McCormack Place, like I said, in Chicago in 2025. We've been there for the last 4 years. We're there to give brand presence in the US. Obviously we're known in the UK, but we like to make more presence, like I say, in the United States. But not only that, it's an international show, so the presence is given to other countries that visit the show year on year as well. Many places like Australia, South America, and so on and so forth. So like I say, it's a show just for, not just for the US, but for the world. Getting here, it's been nice, greeted neatly by everybody, and been shown by Greg how to build the stand, and it's been quite a dawdle. How quick and convenient was the surprise. Didn't find it difficult, even though Greg mentioned a few hurdles putting it up, but I suppose being quite a tall person, that those hurdles made it easier. So no, I found it quite, I wouldn't say easy, but not as stressful as I thought it was going to be. Yeah, being here, seeing the little things, the little tips and tricks, getting those, tapping the back of the frame to realign the rolls, yeah, having that sort of expertise here to show us how to do the stand was beneficial, definitely. Tractability is one thing that drew us to it. Like my colleague was mentioning earlier, the benefit of a low carbon footprint is something that artists strive to do year on year, so having something we can re-erect every year in the shows is so beneficial and good for the economy, so that's something that we liked and drew us to the stand design. As you can see, it's really fresh, vibrant, bright. It's everything that we hoped it is. We're extremely pleased with it. So yeah, the look is fantastic. I like it all. There's nothing I don't like. Obviously, the back wall is exactly how we envisage it. So yeah, would probably be the back wall. It's all planned out really well. I like the sort of office showing the stands in the background there, and in-house printing. That's quite fascinating to see as you come through, so yeah, great.